Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shet Vidya Mandir English High School. Dear children of class 7th CBSC, myself Rashmi, your science teacher, and today we will continue with our chapter number 11, Transportation in Animals and Plants. And children, this is the sixth part of the chapter. Children, till now we had studied about the circulation of blood in our human body. Now we will study about the excretory system in the humans. In this part of the chapter, we will study about the excretion in animals, excretory system in humans, structure and functions of kidney and dialysis. Excretion. The body of all living organisms produce waste products. These waste products produced are toxic and need to be removed from the bodies, or else they will prove danger for the organisms. The process of removal of waste product in the cells of living organisms is called excretion. The parts involved in excretion forms the excretory system. Excretion in humans. The excretory organs and waste produced in humans are as under. Skin. It helps to remove excess of water and salts from the body in the form of sweat. Lungs. They help to remove carbon dioxide. Digestive system. It removes waste in the form of solid waste, or we call it as feces. Kidneys. They remove waste in the form of urine. The waste which is present in the blood has to be removed from the body. This is done by the blood capillaries present in the kidneys. A pair of kidneys along with the ureters, the urinary bladder and the urethra form the human excretory system. Urea is the main excretory product produced in the humans. Structure and function of kidneys. Kidneys are said to be the magic filters because they filter the unwanted substances from the blood. There are two kidneys in the human body, one each on the right and the left side. These are located on either side of the vertebral column just below the level of the stomach. Kidneys are bean shaped and brick red in color. They are about 4 inches long and weigh about 150 grams. Kidneys are richly supplied with blood vessels. Children, here you can see the diagram of the human excretory system. Here you can see the two kidneys. The kidneys are joined with the urinary bladder through the tube-like structures which are called as ureter. Then you can see the urethra and the opening which is called as the urinary opening. Now we will see the explanation. When the blood enters the two kidneys, it contains both the useful and the harmful substances. The useful substances are absorbed back into the blood and the waste substances get dissolved in water and are removed as urine. The body requires about 2 to 3 liters of water daily to filter the waste. Hence, it is important to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water per day. The filtered waste from the kidneys go to the urinary bladder through the tube-like structure that is called as ureters, where it is stored temporarily. When the volume of the urine is about 150 to 420 milliliter, urine is poured into the urethra to be removed from the urinary opening in the body. An adult person passes about 1 to 1.8 liters of urine in a day, that is in 24 hours. Urine consists of 95% of water, 2.5% of urea and 2.5% of other waste products. Dialysis. Sometimes a person's kidney may stop working due to the infection or injury. As a result of kidney failure, waste products start accumulating in the blood. Such persons cannot survive unless their blood is filtered periodically through an artificial kidney. This process is called as dialysis. In dialysis, the blood is made to pass through a dialysis machine which functions as an artificial kidney to remove urea and excess of salts. The way in which waste are removed from the body of the animals depends on the availability of the water. Aquatic animals like fishes excrete waste as ammonia, which directly dissolves in water. Some land animals like birds, lizards, snakes excrete a semi-solid white colored compound which is called as uric acid. The major excretory product in humans is urea. Children, this is the end of the 6th part of the chapter. Hope we will meet soon for the last part of the chapter. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.